Hi friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today I am going to try to get some of my videos up and edited. The one today I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my super easy broccoli salad. I also am trying to get my freeze dryer going again since I did a little bit of seed starting, so that's an upcoming video I have. So I want to get that freeze dryer going so I could have it ready for the season. I'm hoping to do a lot of freeze drying this year. So I did some bananas, which I gave some banana chips to the boys, and my son said they're just eating them up today, so that's fun. And I'm just going to show you, I did some eggs because fortunately for me, I have been getting an overabundance of eggs. I gave my kids each a couple dozen, and I made some egg bakes. That's in another video coming up this week that I have. So I've decided to freeze dry them because then I can have them for the winter, and just a great way to preserve them because you all know what the price of eggs right now. It's great to be able to store them. So that is what is coming up in this video, and then some upcoming videos soon will be the seed starting and some more meal prep. I have another meal prep coming up after this, as well as some just some good fun talks. All right, and oh my goodness, you guys, we had such great weather, and then now look, it snowed. So the poor chickens are hiding in their coop again, and yeah, well, so we did the seed starting inside, and my son's gonna come help me get my gardens torn down and stuff, but you know, obviously we have to wait for the snow to melt. So anyway, here we go. Here's the video. Please enjoy. See you in a bit. Hello friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today I am going to let me grab my broccoli salad. So I'm going to have this to go with my fish, which I'm going to put in my air fryer later. But for right now, what I did is I just took some mayo and I took some organic cane sugar, and I'm just going to mix that together. If you guys want to keep it keto, you can use stevia or monk sweetener. And then I'm just going to take a part of this red onion. Probably you can use as much as you want. So I'm literally just going to chop up half of this onion, or a little bit. I like some onion, but I don't like a ton of onion in my stuff. Let me bring you down here. So I am just chopping up some onion. I'm not making this fancy at all. This is like one of the easiest salads to make. It's great. It goes with a lot of things. And now I'm going to just take some bacon that I had cooked up the other day, and I'm going to chop that up too here into pieces. And normally what I do is I put sunflower seeds in here, but I couldn't find any, so I had some pumpkin seeds and some little pecan pieces. So I'm just going to put a little bit of those in just to add the little crunch. But it is really good with sunflower seeds if you have those. I'm still, I still just finished this pantry challenge, and I still found a bunch of stuff in my pantry. I'm just doing this kind of on a 20-minute break. I want to get this kind of in the fridge. I take my lunch hour at 4 my time, and so I thought I want to get this done up in the fridge, and then that way the flavors can kind of just be melding together, and then on my lunch I'm just gonna air fry up some of the mahi and have that with this. As you can see, I kind of forwent the chopping of the bacon, just decided to break it up. And this might be like even more bacon that I need, but everything is better with bacon, so why not just add it in here, right? There we have it right there. Let me wash my hands. So the stems here, I'm gonna give to the chickens because I'm gonna go out and feed them in a little bit too. So I'm just making these a little bit smaller because they came in pretty big from Sam's Club. Just start mixing this up. So super simple. And then, like I said, I actually think I have an open pumpkin seed. Let me go get one that's open. This one's not open. And you know what else I found is some dates here. I have a few pecan pieces. You can see how easy this is. Let me just mix it up and we should be good to go. That is it. Got just a little bit more broccoli in it. Oh, and there's my break. So I'm just going to add a little more broccoli to this, mix it up, and put it in the fridge. And this will be the broccoli bacon salad, everybody. There you go. As you hear, not lunch break, but my break is over. So I'm just going to get this finished up, put in the fridge, and I will show you my meal with my fish later. Friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. I am continuing with some meal prep. I have some bananas that I needed to use up, so I'm going to put them in my Prep for Life, the Cube freeze dryer. I normally freeze my bananas, but I got my pig and my freezers are all super full. So I'll be making some meals here with the pork, and I'm freeze drying these bananas. So I like to have bananas for smoothies, banana bread, throwing them in my oatmeal, and I'm going to be trying to do a lot more freeze drying this year. So here I'm going to put them in my freeze dryer. I normally like to pre-freeze everything, but these are not pre-frozen. So I'm going to see how they are going to turn out, how long they take, and we are going to get them going in here. All right, we'll see you in a bit. My bananas are done freeze drying. You can see they're nice and crunchy. I just brushed my teeth, so I'm not going to try one today, but I am just going to put them in my jars here with an oxygen absorber so we can have them for snacks. Me and the kids. So I'm super excited about that, everybody. We got this done. Another easy way to food prep. Have some nice, fun, healthy snacks. I think I'm going to throw in some pineapple tomorrow, so we'll see how those do. Hi friends, welcome back. So this is what my raw eggs look like after they've been freeze drying. I've been putting them in Mylar bags, but this is going to be so nice because then in the winter when I need to need some eggs for recipes or things, I can just rehydrate these. Then I will have plenty of eggs to use, and I am going to have fresh eggs all winter long. So yes, I will put a link in the description below for the Prep for Life Cube freeze dryer if you're interested. I know one of the people at my work has a relative and a cousin, and they share a freeze dryer, so that's always an option as well. So thanks everyone for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. Bye.